We are here at Cingani Secondary School in the Eastern Cape. We are here to launch the Robotics Lab and the Consumer Studies Lab.
They're not just learning how to build and code things, but they're learning how to think computationally, how to solve problems and how to come up with solutions for problems around them. So we are equipping people who are going to be creators of technology.
I'm really excited that my school is finally having a robotics club. I really like building stuff and creating new things.
What we also did was invite the Department of Basic Education. Our Deputy Minister was here to assist us with the handover. The principals of the school, the learners were also here, quite excited to work with the robots, see how the coding works and make the robots come to life.
Most children never started in coding robotics, and it's very interesting to learn new things.
At Shoprite, we believe this is important because a lot of jobs coming out that will need you to actually know a bit of AI tech and automation, digitization. So this is really just giving kids the basic knowledge to be able to engage with that type of technology.
I want to thank Shoprite, and I want to say to them, these learners, they will never forget what they have done. Shoprite continue, serving these communities.